Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install backup monitoring with healthchecks.io on VPS. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install backup monitoring with healthchecks.io on your VPS, start by accessing your VPS via SSH. Use an SSH client like PuTTY or the terminal on macOS and Linux. Log in using your VPS credentials. Once logged in, update your package list with the command sudo apt update. Next, install necessary dependencies, including curl and cron. You can do this by running sudo apt install curl cron. Now, register for a free account on healthchecks.io if you haven't done so. Log into your healthchecks.io dashboard and create a new check. Choose the type of check that fits your backup process, usually a ping check. On your VPS, open the cron tab configuration by entering cron tab E. This command allows you to edit scheduled tasks. Add a new cron job at the bottom of the file. Set the frequency for your backup monitoring check. For example, to check every hour, you can use 0 ******. Now, after this frequency, include the curl command to ping your healthchecks.io URL. It should look like this: curl fss request post your _healthcheck_URL. Replace your _healthcheck_URL with the URL you copied earlier. Save and exit the cron tab editor. Your backup monitoring is now scheduled to alert you of any failures. To test your setup, you can manually run the curl command. Verify on your healthchecks.io dashboard that the ping was successful. If everything looks good, your backup monitoring with healthchecks.io is successfully installed on your VPS. You can customize the monitoring parameters further as needed. Consider setting up additional checks for different backup processes if required. Now, keep an eye on your HealthChecks dashboard for updates. That completes the installation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.